Hey everyone, in this full guide, I'll show you how to use BlueStacks for gaming in 2026. So if you want smoother gameplay, keyboard controls, higher FPS, or just a better Android gaming experience on PC, this tutorial covers everything step by step. First, launch BlueStacks from your desktop or Start menu. Once it opens, you'll see the Android-style home screen where all your apps and games appear. If this is your first time using BlueStacks, you'll need to sign into your Google account. Just enter your Gmail and password to access the Play Store. Next, open the Play Store and search for the game you want to play. Once you find it, click Install and wait for the download to finish. BlueStacks also includes gaming features like macros, multi-instance support, and eco mode, so you can automate actions, run multiple games, or reduce CPU usage while gaming. If your game feels laggy or blurry, try lowering graphics settings inside the game itself or changing the display resolution in BlueStacks settings. Yeah, this usually helps improve performance on lower-end PCs, and that's basically how to use BlueStacks for gaming in 2026. Now you can play Android games on your PC with better controls, smoother performance, and a much bigger screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.